And as you can see here, there's actually competitions that you can get involved in, and you can win up to $35,000 in cash for first place, $20,000 for second place, and $10,000 for third place. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another free training. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money online for free, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can do this. And I've been making money like this for many, many years. It's a very good strategy to make money online. So if you have been looking to make some income on the internet, this is the video for you, and you're going to want to watch all the way to the end. Now, in this video, I'm going to take you through everything step by step so we don't miss out on any information. So make sure you pay attention and watch the entire video so you don't actually miss any of the steps. Now, you won't need any money to start this method. There's two ways that we can do this. There's a way that we can actually spend some money, a little bit of money, or there is a way that we can do this for free. We're going to cover both of these methods in this tutorial. Now, what can you expect from this tutorial? I'm going to take you through this within 15 minutes. This is a 15-minute guide showing you exactly what you need to do step by step. We like to keep all of our guides as short as possible, but show you as much information as possible so you understand fully how this method works. But that's what we're going to be doing in this video, a quick 15-minute guide showing you how to make money on the internet. But remember, guys, my videos are for educational purposes only. I do these videos to show you what's working for others online, and I don't guarantee any results. The results that you get are going to depend on the work that you put in. Now, in this method, we're going to be talking about a strategy called affiliate marketing. And what we do is we find products on the internet and we go and promote those products, and we get a commission for doing that around about 50%. Now, this is a great way to make money because you don't need your own product. You don't need to do any support or anything like that. And it's very beginner friendly, and you can do it for free, like I mentioned. So let's jump into this video and I'll show you how to make money online with this method. All right, guys, so the first thing you want to do when starting this particular method is you want to go to Google and you want to put in the words MunchEye without a space. And what you want to do is you want to click on this website called muncheye.com. This is the website we're going to be using today to make money online. So this is muncheye.com right here. And on this website, what people do is they release products on the internet where we can actually make a commission from promoting these particular products. So what we're going to do is we're going to go through this and I'm going to explain to you exactly how this works. So if we look on the right here, it says all launches. So these are all of the products that are getting launched. And you can see that there's, over 4 or 5 products getting launched every single day that you can go and make money from. Now on the left, it has big launches. These are the ones that you're going to want to promote. And on the big launches, you can actually win money, prizes, all sorts of stuff. They have competitions, which we're going to actually show you in a second. And all you do is you scroll down and it shows you the date. It shows you how you get paid. So this one is Warrior Plus. This one is JVZoo. This one here is another program probably. This one here, I can't remember the name of this one. And then we go down and we have ClickBank as well. And that's how you get paid. And you can keep scrolling, and then at the bottom, this shows you the ones that have just been launched, but this doesn't really matter for us. Now, another place that you can actually go to find products to promote is you can go to Facebook, and in Facebook, you can actually find these launch calendar groups. And in these groups, it'll show you products that are getting launched very soon in the marketplace as well. Like this one here, 7-figure launch system, and it shows you all of the information right here. So they're going to have $3,000 in prizes and cash prizes and stuff like that. But really, you don't really need these Facebook groups because most of these products here that are getting posted in these Facebook groups, they're going to be put on MunchEye anyway. They're either going to be in the right column or the left column. So you don't really need to use these Facebook groups, but if you do want to keep up to date with what's coming out and when they're coming out and things like that, then I would recommend checking out these Facebook groups. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go through a couple of programs and show you the kind of steps to sign up and so you can start promoting these particular products. And I'll show you all of the information in these products. We'll do this one and we'll do another one. All right, so now let's go through 2 products and I'll show you how this all works. So let's click on the secret affiliate system, which is the one that we found in Facebook before. And what happens is when you click it, you'll be taken to a page that looks like this. You want to click the JV page. Now on the JV page, it has all of the information that you need to get started and promote this particular product. And I'm going to show you how to get all the traffic and stuff in a minute. Now, what this product does is it's going to give you all of the information that you need to go and promote this specific product. This is what a JV page is all about. And it tells you everything. So let's just go over the competition for a second. There's $2,000 in affiliate cash prizes. Now, some of these can get up to hundreds and thousands of dollars. It depends on how big the launch is. And I'll show you one in a second where you can actually win prizes. They give you all of the graphics that you need. We go to email swipes and banners. And if we click here, we get all of the email swipes that we need. So if we want to go and send emails, for example, to get traffic, we have all of the emails that we need to do to do that. Like everything is here. It's copy and paste. We don't need to do anything ourselves. And if we go back to the top here, and we click on JV document, it gives us everything that we need on this page. What it does is it tells us when this is getting launched. It's got a link to the JV page. It shows everything. It shows you a preview of the sales page. So what will happen is when you send people to this is what the sales page will look like. So everything that you need. And the most important part here is all you need to do is click on the here. Warrior Plus affiliate link. You click on this and you go and sign up as an affiliate at the Warrior. So I'm actually already, oh no, I'm not signed in. So you can sign in or register, and then you can actually sign up to be an affiliate for this particular product and to promote this product. Now let's look at one more product, and the other product is the one that we're going to actually be using in this example. Okay, so if we go back to Muncheye, for example, there's lots of products here that you can promote, but let's just get rid of this other one for a second, and let's say, hey, we want to find a product that's releasing in a few weeks. Now the reason why is because this is going to kind of working with our traffic. We don't want to find a product that's promoting in the next week or is already already launched, because we want to find a product that is going to be launching soon. So I'm going to open up this one right here, which is called Profit Singularity Ultra Edition. Now, this is we go back to the JV page, and it's got all of the information that we need. Now, this page isn't as cool as the other one. It's not as like modern and stuff, but it's got all of the information that we need to go and promote. But the reason I'm choosing this product is because it's releasing soon, like in about, what's the date now? So it's releasing in about 2 weeks. So this gives me plenty of time to work on the traffic method. Now, if you look at this, they actually have these prizes that are crazy prizes. So this is a big launch, okay? So they're giving away monitors, iPads, mouses, Kindles, and things like that. A car, and if you don't want the car, you can get cash value of 40 grand. A golf simulator, a TV. There's so much to, that you're going to be getting with these particular product launches, because these are the big product launches. And what happens is if you get the most sales, you win the top prize. And if you can get second place, third place, fourth, fifth, sixth, all that sort of stuff. Now, what you want to do here is you want to unlock the next page. So put in your information here. And what it does is it brings you to the JV resource page. On this page, we can do two things. We can create your affiliate links. So we can sign up, and they use Groove.com, which is an affiliate platform, to process all of the affiliate sales. So simply sign up here or log in or create your free Groove account right here, okay? And then they will pay you through Groove. They have a video on how you can do that. And they also have emails. They give you tips. They have everything that you need, okay? And all the prizes and stuff like that. So that's some of the products that you can promote. Now, what I do want to just quickly touch on before we move on to the traffic is most of these products, as you can see, you get 50% per sale. Okay, so 50%, 50%, 50%. So you essentially get half of what the owners of the products get. So this one you get 40%, but you get but they're selling it for $3,400. So you get 40% of that. You get over $1,000 per sale. This one here is $2,900, and you get 50%. So most of these you're going to get around about 50%. And where it says 100%, what happens is they have multiple offers and you get 100% on the front end. So now let's jump into the traffic side of things, and I'll explain to you exactly how you can get traffic. So how do you get traffic to these products so you can get that 50%? Well, the thing is, when these products launch, what happens is there's big affiliates. And what these big affiliates do, if we go back to here for a second, is what these big affiliates do is they will send out emails. Okay, so what happens is this product, for example, will have a recommended email marketing plan, and they'll give out emails for affiliates to use. Now, what happens is through all of these dates, people are getting hit with emails on Big Affiliate Marketers email list. Now, what a lot of those people do is they want to actually find out more information on this product before they actually go and purchase this product. So what do? They go to Google and they put in keywords like profit, singularity, review. And then what happens is these websites on the front page of Google actually have done reviews of the product, or they're talking about the product, or they're giving away bonuses about the product, like this person right here. And they have their affiliate link in here, because most of the time people are not just going to buy the product straight away. They're going to go and do some research on this. So that is what a lot of these affiliates are doing, is they are taking the sale essentially from another affiliate who goes out and does emails and other ways of promoting, and they go to Google and people go and put in the keyword, and they click these other websites, and they click the affiliate links on these websites. This is called launch jacking. And then they go and purchase through this person's affiliate link, this girl's affiliate link, Anna's affiliate link. Okay, this is how you're going to get the traffic. Now, there's two ways you can do this. You can spend money on a website, which is what I recommend you do. And I'll show you some examples, another example in a second of a very successful website. But what you can also do is you can use a website called medium.com, where you can write content for free. Now, let me show an example of this in, of this right now. For example, so this particular product here is called Profit Mate. This is not the one we're talking about. This is another one. Profit Mate review. Now, down the page, on the front page, you'll see that there's a Medium article. So medium.com, this is a free article that someone's written. But you'll also see that someone else here, which is called dopereview.com, is higher than that. Second place. That's because that's a paid website. So you eventually do want to have your own paid website. Now, if we look at this, the Dope Review, Profit Mate review, so this is the review. These guys do a review on the product. It's actually not very long, okay? It's not very long. And they have bonuses and things like that. They mostly just upload images, so it looks like it's a long article. So this is called dopereview.com, and they essentially do this for loads of products, and they make a full-time living. This website's been around since I've been on the internet. And then we have a medium.com version of this, which is the Profit Mate review, which this was done last year. So this is why I'm showing you this example. And if we scroll down here, you'll see that this is a completely free website, okay, that these people used medium.com for to go and do a review on the product. It's not a very long review, but if we click down here, learn more about this product, this is a link that goes to, it's like a link tree where there is an affiliate link in here, and there's all sorts of other things that you can put in here if you like. Now, I like to directly link to an affiliate link. It's much better just to do that because there's nothing distracting people. But essentially, that's what you're doing with these products. You're just going out there and you're writing these articles, or you can actually pay people to write the articles as well, to go out and get people to click your affiliate link. And you can do this to any product on here that's launching soon. It's very important that you make sure the product is launching within like 2 weeks or more, so Google will index your actual article, okay, so to show up when people actually search it. Now, another way that you can make money with this method is you can actually go and use YouTube, and you can do videos on the product and talk about the product and how it works and things like that. Now, this product has stuff from quite a while ago because it's actually come out before, but what you can do is you can do content based on the products. If you actually do the website and you do videos, if you can, you don't actually have to show your face if you don't want to, just like this video, then you can definitely start building up some income online by essentially reviewing products from the Munch Eye website, okay? That's the most important thing here, is to find products that are are launching, and then doing websites. You have to be doing a website. That's the most important part. And then if you want to, as another source of income, you can go and do YouTube videos as well. All right, guys, that's how you can make money online with this method. This is called affiliate marketing. You find products on Muncheye.com that are getting released soon. You go and do content based on these products, and you go and put your affiliate links in. And then when someone makes a purchase, you get a commission, and it's usually around about 50%. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, tap that notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the next video.